Hello students. Now in this session, as you see, I will explain sum number 12 of exercise 11.3. Now if you carefully read the question, you will find that there are two sentences are given in the question. Now in the first sentence it is given, the circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter, isn't it? And in the second sentence it is given that what exactly you have to find it out. That is, what is the main objective of the sum? That is, you have to get the radius and then you have to get the area of a circle. Now why you have to get the value of radius first? Because we know that the area of a circle is what? Area of a circle is pi r square, isn't it? Now until and unless you do not know the value of radius, you won't be able to put it here, and in that way you will not get the area of a circle. So your main objective is to get the value of radius first, and then only you can get the area of circle after that. Okay? Now one more important question arises now, how to get the value of radius now. Now for that we have to go to the first sentence, that is the circumference of a circle is equals to 31.4 centimeter. Now I have discussed this matter in a previous question also. When you see that the circumference of a circle is given, the value is given, or the area of a circle value is given, in that case you have to compare the value with the formula. So the circumference of a circle is what? 31.4 centimeter. Okay, so we will write it down. So circumference of circle is 31.4 centimeter, isn't it? Now what is the formula of circumference of a circle? That is 2 pi r is equals to 31.4 centimeter, isn't it? Now it is how we'll get the value of radius. Okay, and the value of pi is also given in the question. I said that if the value of pi is given in the question, what you do? You have to use that value. You are not supposed to use 22 by 7. 22 by 7 you will only use when the value of pi 3.14 is not mentioned in the question. Okay, so 2 into 3.14 into r is equals to 31.4 centimeter. Okay, now to get the value of radius, you have to transpose all this 2 and 3.14 towards the right hand side. So they are all in multiplication form. So what is the opposite of multiplication? Definitely it has to be division, isn't it? Now this all will come down, students. That is 2 into 3.14 will come to the denominator form. Okay. Now after reducing, if you reduce it carefully, now you see there is a decimal form. Fine. So you can write this whole format in another way also. See, I'm doing it. So 31.4, you can give a division sign out here, and 2 into 3.14. Okay, that will make your calculation more easier. Now how to make this easier? So see, if I have to really convert this decimal form into the fractional form, so what is the rule? That we have to check that how many digits are there after the decimal. So there are only one digit, isn't it? So we can write it down as 314 upon 10. Give division sign. Now we will also convert this decimal form to a fractional form. That is 314 upon 100. And why we have written 100? Because after decimal there are two digits are there. Fine. Now if I really put a multiplication sign out here, so what is the rule? The right hand side fraction will be reciprocal. Okay, that's a reciprocal. So it will look like 314 upon 10 into this 100 will go up, and this 2 numerator will come as a denominator. Okay, now this 2 will be cancelled. Okay, now this 0 will be also reduced. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So the value of radius is what? R is equals to 5 centimeter. Now your first target is fulfilled. That is, we now know the value of radius as 5 centimeter, isn't it? So we'll write radius as 5 centimeters. So now we know the value of radius. Now your second step is to get the value of area of a circle. Now it becomes very easy. You just have to put the value and you have to get the area of circle. So area of circle, you will write it down. Area of circle is equals to pi r square, isn't it? Now what is the value of pi given, students? That is 3.14, and what value we get? What is the value of radius? 5 centimeter. So r square means 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter, isn't it? Now if you multiply this, that is 3.14 into 5 is 25 centimeters squared, because there are 2 centimeters are there. Now finally you have to multiply this and get your answer. So this is what you have to do. I will not do this multiplication. Get this product, students, and this product would be your final answer. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 12. So for this session you only do this one question only. Okay, if any problem you are facing, please feel free to ask me in the WhatsApp group. Fine, stay happy and God bless you all.